Deploying Linux Agent Introduction. Go to Agent Management and download Linux Agent. Click Network Configuration and Options. Check ACC Network Settings. Send downloaded Linux Agent to the managed device using WinSCP as file transfer tool example. Enter device IP, account, and password to log in. Log in to the Linux managed device. Left pane, select downloaded Linux Agent location. Right pane, select destination directory. For example, the TMP folder in root directory. Log into the device to execute deployment commands. Using PuTTY as virtual terminal example, log into the Linux device. Deployment instructions are detailed in linuxagent.zip. Log in with root account and password. Step 1. Create ASWM Agent install file folder under TMP. Step 2. Copy Linux Agent to ASWM Agent install file. Step 3. Go to ASWM Agent install file path and decompress linuxagent.zip. Decompress ASWM linuxagent.tar.gz. Step 4. Register Linux device with ACC and install. Wait for background installation to complete. Once completed, return to System Overview to check results. Click Device to view details. This concludes Linux Agent Deployment Introduction.